This video is applicable to Autocar ACX trucks equipped with an Autocar Advanced Telematics 3G module. Vehicles equipped with 3G SAM modules may be identified by a door jamb decal on the primary side of the vehicle. The serial number on that decal and on the 3G SAM module will start with serial number 84. ACX trucks with SAM 3G modules were built between approximately March 2020 and May 2021. Due to the recent launch of newer cellular networks, telecoms all over the world are discontinuing their 3G networks. Autocar is providing upgraded 4G modules to affected truck owners at no charge. Installing your upgraded 4G module is quick and easy and should only take a few minutes. To support this conversion, you will need the following: a screwdriver, diagonal cutters, the 4G telematics module, a tie strap. Begin by completing the lockout tagout procedure. Locate the primary side of the cab. The primary side of the cab is indicated by the steering shaft through the floor of the cab. Using a screwdriver, begin removing the 6 screws securing the gauge pod onto the dash. Set these aside for reinstallation. Set the gauge pod up so you can view the back side of the gauges and always up display. If the wires going into the gauges and display aren't marked, mark each connection. Disconnect all connectors. Once all connectors are disconnected, set the gauge pod aside for reinstallation. Inside the dash, locate the telematics module. This module will be located on the outward side of the steering column. Using the diagonal cutters, cut the tie strap and discard. Note the orientation of the 3G SAM module before removing it from its plastic retaining clip. This plastic retaining clip will be reused for the 4G SAM module. Note the orientation of the wiring going into the 3G SAM module and disconnect the wiring going into the 3G SAM module. Locate the new SAM 4G module. Remove the rubber band and set aside the SIM card. The SIM card should be kept for your records. Remove the bracket from the new 4G SAM module and discard the bracket. Keep the decal for the A-pillar installation later. Locate the wire connectors removed from the 3G SAM module and connect them to the new 4G SAM module. Assure the wiring connectors are seated properly. Install the new SAM 4G module in the same orientation noted from SAM 3G module removal. The SAM 4G module will snap into place. Loop a tie strap around the 4G SAM module and the bracket in the truck to secure the module to the bracket. Pull until snug and then trim the excess. We must verify proper electrical connection to the newly installed 4G SAM module before reassembly. Set the control panel near the opening of the dash. Install electrical connections to the switches and the always up display. Remove lockout tagout. Turn the battery cutoff switch to the on position. Key on the truck. The green and red lights will initially blink at a high frequency. The lights will then blink at a slower rate, indicating cellular registration and GPS lock. If the truck does not have a clear view of the sky, the green GPS light might not switch to a low frequency until the truck is moved. As long as both lights are on and the red light is blinking slowly, the module installation was successful. Note, if either light does not blink or illuminate at all, contact Autocar Solutions for troubleshooting assistance. Assure you have removed the 3G SAM module decal from the door jamb. Note, some units may not have a decal installed on the door jamb. Install the new decal with the SAM 4G module information on the door jamb. Reinstall the gauge pod using the 6 screws set aside earlier. collect all used SAM 3G modules and return back to Autocar using the contact information here. The process is complete and the truck may be operated normally. It may take a day of operations for the new module to self-update with the latest software version and for the truck's operations information to appear on your Autocar Advanced Telematics system. If you have any questions about the system itself, send an email to telematics@autocartruck.com and we'll be happy to help.